Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we uncover the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of emergency vehicle lighting with a review of the ASPL 29.554 LED strobe light bar. If you're in need of a reliable strobe controller for LED lights, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The ASPL 29.5 strobe light bar is a powerhouse of visibility, designed with 54 high-intensity LEDs to ensure maximum brightness, day or night. Its unique double-sided flashing feature and amber-white color combination make it stand out from the crowd, providing effective warning signals for construction vehicles, tow trucks, and more. What sets this strobe light apart is its ease of installation. With 4 strong magnets and thick rubber suction cups, mounting is a breeze without causing any damage to your vehicle's roof. Plus, the 16.4 feet heavy-duty cable ensures flexibility in placement, while the 12 to 24 volts plug-and-play feature make it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Now, let's talk about versatility. With 26 flashing modes to choose from, this strobe light bar allows you to customize your warning signals according to your needs. Whether you're a firefighter, snowplower, or utility worker, there's a flashing pattern for every situation. And with the last used pattern recall memory function, you can easily pick up where you left off. Durability is key when it comes to emergency lighting, and the ASPL strobe light bar doesn't disappoint. Constructed from durable aluminum material and waterproof with IP67 rating, it's built to withstand harsh weather conditions, including rain, fog, dust, and snow. With over 50,000 hours of lifespan, this strobe light is a reliable companion on the road. Measuring at 29.5 L by 8.1 W x 3.7 H and with a power output of 54 W, this rooftop strobe light is compact yet powerful. Its universal compatibility with vehicles equipped with a 12 to 24 volts power source makes it a versatile choice for various applications. In conclusion, the ASPL 29.554 LED strobe light bar is undoubtedly the best strobe controller for LED lights available in the market today. With its superior visibility, easy installation, versatile flashing modes, and durable construction, it's a must-have for anyone in need of reliable emergency vehicle lighting. Don't compromise on safety, choose ASPL. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products. Until next time, stay safe on the road.